This will work on forex, stocks, options, bonds, futures, commodities, and all chart-related trading. In this episode 13, we'll be treating market wisdom for traders. Episode 13, you're advised to share, subscribe, like, and ask questions. We are available for account management, training, and you can reach us on 080-375-9708 number, 085. So we are based in Lagos, Nigeria. This episode is a compilation of the wisdom of the most brilliant traders in the world who have made millions and billions in trading. It includes traders like Warren Buffett, Paul Tudor Jones, and so many others. And this is the work. Only about 5 to 10% of investors understand charts. Even a lot of professionals are totally ignorant about charts. Just as a doctor will be foolish not to use x-rays and EKGs, investors will be foolish not to use charts. The volume in a stock is a measure of supply and demand. When a stock is beginning to move into new high ground, volume should increase by at least 50% over the average daily volume in recent months. High volume at a key point is an extraordinarily valuable tip-off that a stock is ready to move. If you hit a losing streak and it is not because what you are doing is wrong, that tells you the whole market may be going bad. If you have 5 or 6 straight losses, you want to pull back to see if it is time to start moving into cash. I believe that every person should own their own home, own real estate, and have an individual stock account or own mutual funds. Those are the only ways you can make any substantial income above your salary. Unfortunately, in a bear market, most people get scared and decide to switch, ruining their long-term holding plan. Actually, when a good diversified growth fund is down sharply, you should buy more. Most investors never get past the starting gate because they do not use good criteria. They do not know what to look for to find a successful stock. Therefore, they buy for traits nothing to write home about. Stocks that are not acting particularly well in the marketplace and are not real market leaders. A good way to ensure miserable results is to buy on the way down in price. Because it was down in price doesn't make a great bargain. The company could be in a serious trouble and could be headed at the time for possible bankruptcy. An even worse habit is to average down in your buying rather than up. By so doing, you are following up your losses and mistakes by putting good money after bad. The public loves to buy cheap stock, selling at low price per share. They incorrectly feel it is wiser to buy more shares of stock in round loss of 100 or 1,000 shares. This makes them feel better, perhaps more important. You would be better off buying 30 or 50 shares of higher priced sounder companies. You must think in terms of numbers of dollars you are investing, not the numbers of shares you can buy. Stocks are like anything else. You can't buy the best quality at the cheapest price. First-time speculators want to make a killing in the market. They want too much too fast without doing the necessary study and preparation or acquiring the essential methods and skills. They are looking for an easy way to make a quick bucks without spending any time or effort really learning what they are doing. Most people delight in buying on tips, rumors, stories, and advisory service recommendation. In other words, they are willing to risk their hard-earned money on what someone else says rather than in knowing for sure what they are doing themselves. Most rumors are false, and even if it's correct, the stock ironically will in many cases go down in price. People buy company names they are familiar with, names they know. Just because you used to work for General Motors doesn't make it necessarily a good stock to buy. Many of the best investments will be names you won't know very well, but could and should know if you would do a little studying and research. This brings us to the end of episode 13. Join us in the subsequent week for episode 14. Remember to subscribe, share, likes, and ask questions. We are available for account management and training from all over the world. You can contact us on 080 375 97085. We are based in Lagos. Thank you.